Hey my lovely foodies, today I'll be showing you this super simple and quick potato sandwich, and this sandwich reminds me of my so many childhood memories, and most importantly you can pack this in your kids tiffin box also as schools are opening. So let's begin. So first up we'll prepare the stuffing. For this I've taken 2 teaspoons of oil. You can also use butter instead in a pan. Once it is heated, we are going to add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them crackle and then add 1 onion which is finely chopped. Cook that just for a minute or two. If you don't like onions, you can simply skip it. Next, I'm adding 2 to 3 chilies which is finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and cook that as well. And now we are going to add some vegetables. So first I'm going to add some finely chopped capsicums and finely chopped carrot. So here I'm adding only these 2 vegetables, but if you want you can also use some corn, some cabbage, some mushrooms if you wish to. Cook that as well just for a minute or until they turn slightly soft, but do not overcook them. Next, we are going to add in a pinch of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of dried mango powder. You can also use lemon juice instead, or if you want you can also add some Garam Masala or some Chaat Masala or any other masala you like here. Cook all the masalas just for a minute. And then I'm going to sprinkle very little water. So this vegetable base is ready. To this I'm going to add in about 4 to 5 potatoes which are pre-boiled and mashed, a teaspoon of salt, and mix everything really well until they all combine with each other. So keep doing that. If you want you can break the chunks of the potatoes. So once everything is nicely mixed, I'm going to add in some fresh coriander and mix that as well. So it just took me about 5 to 6 minutes to make this stuffing. Switch off the flame, keep it aside and let it cool down a bit. Next, here I'm taking 2 bread slices. Spread some butter on both the slices. And then I'm using tomato ketchup on 1 bread slice and some green chutney on the other. If you want, you can also use some Szechuan sauce, some Szechuan chutney, garlic chutney, or any other spread or dip you wish to. And then add the potato stuffing, more or less as per your preference. So this is the basic sandwich. If you want, you can also prepare cheesy potato sandwich by just placing a cheese slice over it. Place the another bread over it. Spread some more butter. And then we are going to toast this over the pan. So let it toast on this side over low to medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns nice golden brown and crunchy. And keep cooking it by flipping it over. So guys, this sandwich turns out very tasty. Most importantly, it's very quick fix and it's perfect for picnics, tiffin box, or even for any gatherings. So it has turned out beautifully golden brown on both the sides. And you can pre-prepare the potato stuffing a night before also in case you plan to put this for tiffin box for your kids in the morning. So it's done enough. Let me remove it out. Let me show you the crunch. You can see how crunchy it has turned out. Let's cut into 2 pieces. And it's nice, juicy and cheesy within. So you can pack this for your kids' tiffin box along with some fruits and a sachet of ketchup on the side. So I hope you enjoyed this very easy peasy recipe, and if yes, then hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And in case you plan to recreate the same, all my socials are listed below. I love you guys so much. See you all with a brand new one. Bye bye.